An individual education plan is nothing without a strong IEP team to carry out the plan. There are many key members of an IEP team, including the learner, the parents, and the whole school system of principals, teachers, and SNAs. The IEP team work collaboratively to facilitate the learner's needs and motivate the learner to achieve his or her goals. At the heart of the IEP is the individual themselves. The EPSN Act 2004 ensured that the learner is at the heart of the process. To ensure this is the case, the learner sets their own targets using SMART targets. The learner will know best what they want to achieve and how realistic this is. The learner is also involved in providing information about the learning style, skills, possible interventions, and how to monitor progress. Giving the student a voice is key to the IEP success. Parents are often the closest person to the learner, and the person who will partake in helping the learner throughout the journey. Therefore, parents are consulted about an IEP, receive copy of the plan, are informed of any changes, and receive a report of any review of the plan. Research has shown that parental involvement increases academic and social outcomes for learners with IEPs. Much of the learning and assessments take place in the school, and therefore a positive school environment and community is important to an IEP's success. The SENO, Special Education Needs Officer, is responsible for forming the IEP team and to provide advice in relation to the preparation of the plan. The principal ensures that the parents of the child, the SENO, and other persons as appropriate are consulted in relation to the preparation of the IEP and ensures the implementation of the IEP. Teachers perform functions delegated by the school principal as conferred by him or her. A range of resources suited to the learner's needs is crucial to an IEP's success. Of course, funding is a huge part of this, and some schools will have better resources than others. You must be able to modify and adapt games to suit the learner's needs. This could be changing the size or weight of a ball to having light or sound emitting cones for a person with visual or hearing impairments. Students should have choice in the lessons, and a games dice or visual schedule can help people with autism. It is important to keep students active, and having transitions planned with resources laid out will keep students interacting and on task. It is the SENO and principal's duty to help provide the correct equipment suited to the specific needs of each individual.